Welcome back to our Learn Onyx channel. Today we want to talk about the load command. Now the load command is not the, the most sexy command ever in Onyx, but when you get to know it, you realize it'll actually save you a bunch of time and frustration. And that's what we're here for. By the way, if you are new here, give us a big subscribe. That would help a ton. And if you need lights or anything Onyx related, anything console wise, and you're in the US, head over to LearnStageLighting.com. We would love, or LearnStageLightingGear.com. Sorry, we would love to help you get that stuff. You need a dealer, we'd love to be that dealer. Now, we're on our stage here. Let's say we play something back, okay? So there's a sample cues here. I use this one a lot. And we get into it a little. This is a good place to stop, okay? So we've got these two lights in the middle here, okay? And with this demo file and Onyx together, we actually just selected those lights in Onyx. That's a next level technique that we'll talk about sometime soon. And say we want to copy what those two lights are doing to more lights. How do you do that? Okay, well, I'm here to show you. So let's go ahead and just find out what one of those lights IDs are. Okay, it looks like I actually got the wrong one in the back there. And so let's just look at 106 there. So I'm going to clear load 106, enter. Okay, and that loads everything for that light into the programmer. It's ready to go. So now we're going to copy that data from 106 to some new fixtures. So now I want to type load 101 through 105 at 106. And that's telling me, as it shows on the command line, to load 101 through 105 from what's loaded in the programmer for 106. We can't also, and let's do this. We'll do intensity, we'll do color, gobo, beam effects, beam effects, and framing. We won't do position, okay? We'll use those filters, we'll press enter, boom. So those lights were in position in the queue anyways, they just weren't on. So if we wanted to bring them up and have them match everything that 106 that we loaded first was doing, this is a way we can do this. I admit, it's a bit of a twist of the brain at first, but it's really powerful. Because you can take any light in your rig, okay? Say, for example, we take one of these guys on the ground, okay? So 401. Maybe I'll load 401. And then I say load 107 through 111, I believe, or 107 through 111 at 401. Now these aren't even the same type of fixture, but you know what? They've got stuff that will translate inside of Onyx. And so we do that. Boom, we load them. Now they went to a position that mimics the position these other lights were in. Probably not what you want them to do in a real show. But, you know, they hit color that's similar. It's translated the RGB to CMY value, so it doesn't match perfect, but it gets you in the ballpark, gives you that position, gives you the other attributes that that light has, all in the programmer right there, copied from that 401. So you can use this command anywhere that you need to get a quick start on programming. When you say, hey, whatever that light's doing, I want to copy it over to those lights, and so I can build a new queue. This is the way to do it. If you enjoyed this tip, go love our channel, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe here, and if you do need any gear, any Onyx stuff, any lights in general, let us know at Learn Stage Lighting Gear. And if you need help learning more about lighting, go over to LearnStageLighting.com or our channel here on YouTube. Until next time, we will see you in the next video. Thanks.